grouping.
Grouping, ladies and gentlemen. That means you have 4 or more terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually what happens is you group the first 2 and the last 2 together. And you're going to GCF the first 2, GCF the last 2. Let me ask you this. If I gave you this and said, factor that, what would you do?
Write the same thing. Put 4 out front.
You would take my heart forever. You guys. Take my heart. I take it, and what's left?
X plus Y.
X plus Y. That's factored now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hinkle, midget. Take a look. First 2. Is there a GCF that we can take from both of those? X squared. When I do that, look what happens. Everybody agree?
Yes.
Now let's look at the last 2.
So wait, you can split it into 2s like that?
That's what we're going to do it. Not can we? We are. That's how we roll. What can I take from both of those?
4.
4, 16. So if I take 16, I have negative x plus 3. The whole purpose of grouping is to get this set of parentheses to be the exact same. Sort of like my heart.
Why is it negative?
Negative 16.
That's not the same, is it? What do I have to do? What should I take from both so that my set of parentheses, my binomial is the same? Negative 16, yes. So if I take a negative 16 out, that becomes positive, and that becomes negative. These are exactly the same now, correct? So when I take that away, it's like taking the heart. Taking my heart forever. If I take that from both of them, we're separating them into 2 terms. There's one, there's the other. So if I take the x minus 3 from both of them out front, what's left?
Negative 16x squared.
X squared minus 16.
Wouldn't that be?
Say it, midget.
Well, I was going to say, isn't one of the answers 0?
Why? There's no answers we're factoring right now. In order to have answers, you got to have an equal sign. Is this factored completely? Yes or no?
I feel like it's not.
I feel like you're right.
Don't we
If
need
you
to
had
have
x
a
squared
square?
times x minus 3, wouldn't x squared, like if you're solving, wouldn't x squared be equal to 0?
You would take each of these set of parentheses equal to 0. Let's factor it completely first, and I think you'll see it. Is this factored completely?
No.
Check it. It's a difference of
Square.
2 squares. So how does that factor? Salazar, do you remember?
X minus 4 x plus 4.
Exactly. Kalina, let's put our negativity away. That's factored completely. Now, Hank, watch this. Let's get on your dome a little bit. Let's set it equal to 0. How many solutions are there? 3. Kim, do you agree? Say 3. So, this is still equals, 0, equals 0, equals 0. What are my 3 solutions then, Klingman? Uh-oh! 3 what?
Do we have to equal it to 0?
No. I was just showing if it has an equal sign, there's your solutions. We have 3 solutions. Shay.
What if you have 5 terms?
Then you 5 terms or a degree 5 polynomial.
5 terms.
Then you would group the first 2 and the last, probably the last 3 together. I won't give you 5 terms right now.
Why wouldn't it be x minus 3 squared? Because there's 2.
That's a great question. Great question. Courtney said, why am I not taking x, or why is it an x minus 3 quantity squared? I'm taking it from both. Well, let me ask you this. I took x from both. Is it x squared?
No.
It's just, I'm showing that I took an x from both of them, correct?
Yeah.
Here I'm showing I'm taking an x minus 3 from both of them. Okay?
Why is x minus 3 times x squared minus 16? Why is that not factored?
Because the x squared minus 16 can be factored a little bit more. It's a difference of 2 squares. Yep. Are you ready?